A man got a phone call that could have made him a millionaire in one night. 3 years clean from drugs, working construction, barely making ends meet. His daughter needed surgery they couldn't afford. His wife was working 3 jobs just to pay rent. Then his old contacts called. One deal, over $1 million, easy money. He stared at that phone for an hour. Instead of calling them back, he called his sponsor. That conversation saved his life. His sponsor convinced him to share his story at a recovery center the next week. In the audience sat a successful businessman who heard something special. The next day, that entrepreneur offered him a job as head of security for his company. Not only that, he paid for his daughter's surgery and helped him start a nonprofit for recovering addicts. People ask him if he ever regrets walking away from that $1 million deal. He says, "That money would have destroyed everything I built." Saying no gave me something worth more than money. One phone call changed his entire family's future. Not the call offering easy money, the call asking for help.